and we'll probably be able to get that rental increase up to $875. That'll be our goal for each of the units, so that'll be $1,750 coming your way. So all in all, it's just a turnkey, set it, forget it kind of thing. This thing's been chugging along, and it'll continue to chug along for you. All right, y'all, I got a solid opportunity for you today. This one's on Cleveland's west side, 3909 Behrwald, okay? Coming to you at $129,900. This one, fully turnkey, ready to rock and roll. This has been in the HoltonWise portfolio for years, probably like, I don't know, 10, 12, 13 years. I owned it for... I don't even remember. I owned this property for a minute, like 5 or 6 years, and then I sold it to the cat that owns it right now, and he's owned it for, I think, five years or something like that. I sold it to him a while ago, and he is moving on from the Cleveland market. He is going to be selling his portfolio, and he is going to put all that together, and I guess he's going to invest in something closer to home. So this opportunity for you guys. We have 2 tenants in there, one at 819, one at 835. Their leases are good till February of 2026, and then when February of 2026 comes around, we're going to hit up Section 8 and be like, yo, time for more money, and we'll probably be able to get that rental increase up to $875. That'll be our goal for each of the units, so that'll be $1,750 coming your way. So all in all, it's just a turnkey, set it, forget it kind of thing. This thing's been chugging along, and it'll continue to chug along for you. If you want to take management out of our portfolio and do it yourself, you can. If you want to keep management in our portfolio, it's going to be perfect for the tenants. They don't even... There's really no reason to explain to them that a change in ownership has happened. Everything's going to be the same. HoltonWise will still be their point of contact, handling everything for them. The only thing we have to do to this property is you're going to have to get it lead certified. The property's in great condition. Like I said, we got Section 8 tenants and stuff in there, so they already do their annual inspections. So it's in good condition. So it's going to be a very, very simple process to get it lead certified. We work with PB Free to do lead certifications for all the investors in our portfolio and all of our personal properties. And, you know, the owner there, Zak, he knows what he's doing. He's pretty much the number one motherfucker you want to talk to in the city of Cleveland about these lead certifications. Now, for those of you that are new to the Cleveland market, here's the thing. The Cleveland government, much like the federal government or the local government where you live, I assume, you know, they're not super fucking organized, okay? You know, efficiency is not exactly how the Cleveland government handles things. So when these lead laws came out a few years ago, they've been fucking here. You know, it's like playing whack-a-mole to figure out exactly how they want to handle this, which is why it's very important that you get hooked up with somebody who knows what's up. And that is Zak. That is PB Free. Like, the rules of the game of how the whole process works and how Cleveland wants this all done, you know, they're fucking changing shit every 60 fucking days, it seems like. They've been doing that for like 4 or 5 years. But luckily for you, luckily for me, Zak is the guy, PB Free. They stay on top of that. And if you check out their website, they have like educational content about all the changes. Because, you know, there's been lawsuits going back and forth, you know, all kinds of political jockeying and stuff. So luckily for you guys, we make the process seamless with our partnership with PB Free. And with this property, if you have a property that's in good shape, that's been well maintained, it's just a lot of corporate bullshit. You're spending a few $100, send Zak and his crew out there to do their testing and all that, create their reports and stuff. Not a big deal. Again, sounds crazy, and then, you know, things are going back and forth, but it's really not a big deal if you have somebody who's like paying attention to the changes, and any time like the government tries to, you know, change course and reverse course and go back to the original course. You need somebody out there who's doing this every day, and that's exactly who PB Free and Zak are. So they'll be able to handle all that for you. So other than that, it is literally you do absolutely nothing. And when you're doing the lead certification stuff, you're really doing nothing if you have HoltonWise still doing the management and you have PB Free handling the lead. Although I will tell you this, if you want to manage on your own, you're a local Clevelander, and you want to do the management on your own, that's fine. You can still work with PB Free and Zach and his team to get your lead certification done. It's not like if you don't continue managing it through HoltonWise, you lose the ability to work with them. You can still work with them on any of your properties in Cleveland. It's not like specifically tied to HoltonWise. So their services are available. We are a la carte here, man. We are a la carte. You can buy the property from us, directly from us. You could hire your own real estate agent to buy the property from us. You could do management through us. You could do management through a competitor. You could do management on your own. I am a licensed insurance broker as well. We provide insurance to clients who want it, so we could do all your rental property insurance, or you can go to your local guy who does, your own fucking house and your fucking boat and all that shit. We are literally a la carte, so we can provide you top to bottom services, or just like one or two of the services. It's completely up to you guys. Either way, this thing makes money, and we will help you with it as much or as little as you want us to. Now, before I get you out of here, I want you to stick around. Before you send me your offers, I want you to stick around because I'm going to have you watch the full unedited video tour. Obviously, as I've been talking, we've been going back and forth between myself and the property tour with my guys out there at the property. I want to give you all that footage completely uncut. I know a lot of you are out of state, so I really want you guys to be able to do your due diligence and see exactly what it is you're going to be buying. So watch that unedited video tour. Then when you're done and you want to make an offer on this property, send it to us. Sales@HoltonWise.com. Include your proof of funds if you want to pay cash. If you want to finance it, include your pre-approval letter. And as I said earlier, we're a la carte. We could help you as much or as little as possible. So guess what? If you don't have a lender, of course we have them for you. We have investor lenders for you guys, so we can provide you with that as well. Stay tuned for the video tour right now.
Ooh, the copyright issues.
Sound good. Okay. I was making sure I was recording.
Garage doors and padlock, that's fine.
That's fine. There's nothing in either one of them.
Pretty sure we filmed the inside of the garage with that permit sold though. I don't think it's changed much.
No, it's just an empty garage. Alright, you want to pop the basement open and then we'll do her unit and I'll get the front and the other side when we come back out.
That works.
Perfect. Thank you.
The light should be
Shit, blocking the door. What's behind it? Over there.
actually good that we're filming the upper unit. She's got the furnace in the unit.
Yep.
Storage room area. Looks like it's all been waterproof. Oops. I'm pretty sure the gas meters and water meter are behind that door right there on your left too, if you want.
Yeah, I don't think they need those though. I don't usually film them. Unless they're just out in the open. I've always been curious about this thing. I've been here a few times.
Yeah, because I think there's access
Yeah, there's like a little access to it, but it's like a bathroom. I thought.
It's supposed to be at one point, yeah. It's on a spring door.
Yep. Alright.
Should we knock?
Yeah, I think she's expecting us. Okay.
Does he want to sell the house or what?
Maybe for insurance purposes, I don't really know.
I just want to know because if I gotta move, I want to know.
So the lease would be,
Okay,
the lease would go through and the option to renew should be there as far as I know.
that's all I'm concerned about.
Yeah, no,
So you have a camera, you're taking pictures, or a camera like
It's
police?
kind of like just a quick video walkthrough.
Do you want me to like get out? I don't want to be on camera.
No,
No.
I'm
make sure not
trying
to.
not to be
My
either.
the only
so
thing I'm asking you is
careful
just-
with the cat.
yeah, cause he's gonna want to be in the beginning.
So the big thing is, I know the furnace is in there,
Yeah, well.
so that would be one of the things we kind of have to get on film. But it's more for the layout. So honestly, if you want, he's getting the kitchen.
trying to, it doesn't matter. This is all fine. I'm just gonna look at that
Just want to show the ages and show the ages.
Okay, yeah, everything's in there. You can do it. Everything's
So
cool.
he's actually
Don't take a picture of my plants though.
You're a nice place.
Yeah.
Don't, my brother gave. Okay, my brother gave them to me. I'm 16.
I didn't even
Okay.
see him.
Okay, well
You're
they're
good.
legal.
Yeah, we
Yeah. No, no.
Okay, just.
We don't. Yeah,
Okay, well then go do what you need to do.
yeah. He's just gonna get these 2 rooms. It'll take 2 minutes.
Yeah, maybe not
I'll
either.
go outside.
Well, you can just he's done it here. So
Yeah, and as soon as I turn
he's
around,
just
I'll.
gonna go there to the
Oh, that's
closet.
it. All right,
Yep.
cool. So everything's that's it.
Yeah, it's so quick.
I don't want to even whatever you guys decide. I don't. Okay. No, I just want to whatever, and then
Yeah.
move into that.
Yeah, for sure.
No, I appreciate you. Sorry. Thank you.
No, absolutely. Sorry we had to bug you.
No, I work there. I work. Never mind. I work. Doesn't matter.
Well, they said
Oh.
yes.
Okay. All right. No, I work like one. I work 1 to 9, and then like I work Saturday. My schedule is just weird. Very, very weird. Also Saturday's very weird.
Well, it sounds like
I'm done.
That's it.
Yep.
Okay, so everything's fine. They're not gonna put the pictures up for rent.
No, so
That's what I thought.
it could be so the most.
I just want to
leases we
stay
do
here
are-
for another year because I'm not.
So yeah, I don't know when your lease is up. But
Exactly, like-
Eden, I think stops paying.
I know, but I'm paying.
So yeah, so if you wanted to, I'm one of the guys that handles the leases. So when
Oh, okay.
that's coming up, usually like a month or 2 before it's.
Oh my God, can I ask you some questions then?
Sure.
Because I haven't done anything. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Because I know I haven't done anything here because we're not allowed.
I got you. Technically.
So, all right, and I'm like, if I chose to like paint, I don't paint this. I'm not. Don't do it. What if it comes out nice? Like
Here's what I'll tell you.
I'm not.
If you go like a normal color,
I'm,
if you wanted to repaint whatever's here, you wanted to go like blue or something like that. As long as you don't go like purple with pink polka dots,
No.
and go crazy.
do you see? I'm just.
Because most of the time we have to repaint it afterwards, and that's basically.
No, I would
the
never
thought.
do that. As much paint, it'll be that blanket. I don't do like that.
Yeah.
I'm not.
So if you were to do a plain color, pretty much what I tell people is like, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like this.
Because I just don't want to get charged, but I think I want to stay, this is what I think. I want to stay for a while.
Hey, how's it going? Sorry, I try not to get you. Just a video walkthrough thing for the owner requested. Yeah, just like outside condition and basement. Just make sure the issues that were being had were they're working on being resolved. You know.
Okay. Because the issue with the water
Yeah.
the wall that hasn't been.
Hasn't been yet. Okay.
Yeah, I mean it's really bad. I mean it's just not a leak. I mean it comes out full-fledged.
Oh, okay.
I mean I have a video if you'd like to see it.
If you can send it to
I
me,
tried sending it and they
it won't
said
send.
that it won't go through. And it's only a 12-second.
Yeah, let me finish doing this and you can show me real quick.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.